RV Live versus Tesla Live. We traded in our camper and we got this awesome Tesla. We've loved camping, but things have changed a lot and we were just not using our camper. We really needed to save some money, so we got rid of all that and we got the Tesla. But now we're gonna see if camping is as fun, is it more challenging? We're gonna find out tonight. So this is our first experiment using our Tesla for camping.
Bonus! I'm gonna show you how I made this yummy macaroni and cheese.
Okay, today is the day! Go camping in the Tesla! We're gonna go to Walmart, we're gonna get some things. Let's get going!
So cute. Well, $40. Team Walmart. Let's do this. Team Walmart. It's a pack. We're gonna go camping tonight. It's dark outside at 7:12 and the Tesla 18%. I was supposed to charge the car today. I did not do that. It is the next day. Did we go camping last night, Sophie? No, we didn't. That was the main reason why we didn't go camping last night. So
I forgot to charge the Tesla.
yeah, I forgot to charge the Tesla. So I got FSD going, so Tesla is now driving for us. Let me go ahead and start recording with the meta glasses. You can see the Tesla's doing its thing. So hopefully we have some time. I'm looking directly at the sun, that's bright. We will get there before sunset. Hopefully there's enough sun there. Hey, you should see when sunset is, Stove.
6:07.
6:07. So right now it is 5:41. There'll be a little bit of sunlight, but the sun will be, it'll start getting dark at that point. So according to this, we'll get at Gunlock, that's our destination, at 6:01. So Sophie, you got 6 minutes to set up camp. Got rid of our bigger SUV in the camper and we consolidated it. Today might be the last day that we had this car in our family. We are going to be trading it into a Tesla. This is our first charge. Life's been really busy. We don't get out as much as we want to, but we still want to get out, right? So we figured, hey, let's try the Tesla. So this is us now going to Gunlock. Strike a fire. Look at that stuff. It's like a big freaking match. Let's try it out. Let's see how well this works. Hopefully it's fun. That's the idea. We want this to still be fun. And can you have fun camping in a Tesla? Well, we're gonna find out. Right here and camping in a whole nother experience. I think there's going to be pros and cons with this. I'm going to try out tonight. We're going to cook, get some meals going over here. We're going to get the fire going and we're going to convert this to our sleeping quarters tonight. So we got this awesome overlook of the lake and super excited to try this out. Heck yeah. Nothing's like buying pre-packaged wood. There. Previous campers, I guess they don't know camping etiquette, but they left a bag of garbage right there, which I guess that's good at least when they packed it away, but you pack it in, you pack it out. Strike a fire.
They use this for fire pits, barbecuing, and all that. Supposedly, you strike this like a match. There's a little thing right there like a match that you just strike against, and oh, this is look at that stuff. It's like a big freaking match. Well, let's try it out. Oh, look at that stuff. All right, real quick, we need to come back over to the Tesla and we need to get this going in a camp mode. So it has a specific mode for camping. So camp mode. Sophie, I did it. It will allow us to be able to get in and out of the car. It will regulate the temperature and all that fun stuff. So the one thing is our camper had shades. So this is very open. The back of the windows and the back of the cab, the roof and all that is tinted. So you can't really see in through those windows, but the windshield you wholly can see through, and these other windows you can see through. I got a solution for that. I'm gonna show you what I got. About the camp mode real quick. It's set up now so it won't lock on us. So you can go in and out. So you know how it's annoying when you get like, Dad, you got to be close with your phone. It doesn't do that. So that's one of the advantages of camp mode. But this has the inserts that we need for all the windows. Comes in this awesome carrying case. Silver is the outside because that reflects the sunlight, and the black would be the inside. Hey, Sophie. She's getting the hot dogs going. Oh my gosh, this is so much fun. I am enjoying myself immensely. I do need to figure out the solution for our other treats. I'm gonna check in the sub trunk of our Tesla and see what we got. Another thing I love about this Tesla, it has plenty of space. You can actually fold down these chairs right here. And this is gonna be our bed tonight. What are you doing?
Trying to get out.
Sophie is going out because she's trying to close the front. I also have a sub compartment down here. Hey, Soph, look at this. We got a microwave. Do you think we can make it work? We don't have a generator. All right, we're gonna try this out. Jeez, get that going. But there it goes. So let's check out this down here. So the microwave is a 1450 watt microwave, and look at guys, this is wholly 100% handling that. So the output right now is 1421. I can push that button and we're at 96%. So we're totally gonna be able to do our lighting and our microwaving and all that. Cool feature. This kind of estimates how much time we have. So it says 41 minutes using that much wattage, using this power bank.
We'll come back to the power station and let you know how much we used to cook dinner tonight, but let's go ahead and get our grub on.
That looks great.
Yeah, really good.
You're very domesticated.
What?
All right, let's. You hear that? I love the sound of that.
You know, put your foot in the bowl.
Yes. Done. Battery life inside the Tesla right now, we're at 84%. It would really be good for all night. To get back to our destination where we need to charge, we need about 10%. Let's find out. Let's pull up the nav and navigate to charging. So they have a supercharger in Kienta. So 6.1 miles. So if we did that and left right now, we would have 83% battery life. So it only take, yeah, 83%. If I went there and back, it would be 78%. We're good on power. So that's an actually Tesla charging location. So we're good to go for tonight. We'll probably eat up about 10. I calculate maybe 10% battery life tonight to keep it nice and warm. We'll find out. Current temperature 46 degrees, and we got a nice 70 degrees right here.
If I don't have a minimum of 73% battery life tomorrow, that makes me a liar. Uh-oh.
Days later. I totally forgot to do a battery update. You can see we only use a quarter of the battery life. So we actually have 76% battery, which is great. Enjoying the campfire. Whoa.
You don't miss any of our weekly uploads. Okay, let's get into today's stories. Frank turns and he looks at this closet. The doors are open to this closet. It's a dark closet. And out of the closet walks a man who is wearing a dress, Frank's dead wife's dress. This person had clown makeup on their face, and they were wielding a hatchet. And they walk out of the closet, and they look at Frank, and they look at the girls who are so shocked, they're just in silence, staring back at the sky. And this person looks at Frank and goes, "You and the girls go upstairs."
Hi. No worries. No creepy crawlers of the night.
Hey guys, I hope you liked that video. Me and Sophie had a lot of fun with it. Please subscribe, as I am going to be making more content like this. And to answer the question from the very beginning, RV camping versus Tesla camping. Pros and cons with this. We bought a camper back in 2019. The first year or two, we had a lot of fun with it, but we had more flexibility then. Our kids are older, they have more responsibilities, they're in more programs and stuff like that. For us to get outside and camp, it's so much harder. I thought having an RV or a camper would make it simple because you have all this stuff inside the camper. But you know what? There's a lot of logistics that you don't even think about. You really have to plan around it. There's a lot of work. So when I saw people were using their Teslas for camping, I just got super excited and I had this idea. I'm trying to get my kids outside, and my thought is, let's mix tech and camping together. If I can get my kids outside, oh my gosh, that's a win right there. So that's my goal. I'm going to try to go every weekend, and we're going to make some fun content. So I'm going to be doing another state park here in the next week or two. Like I said, I'm going to try to do it every weekend, but that might be very hard. But I'm at least going to try to do 2 a month. So if you really like this, subscribe and hit that like button, and thank you for watching.